today we have come to lab to learn about the skeletal system, as you have done in your books also, reading down in the book, right? So today we will start from the skull. Skull, this is skull. Skull has 22 bones, 8 of the cranium and 40 facial bones, and all the bones are fused, joined, except this lower jaw. Can you see lower jaw? Yes. So next comes our vertebral column, right? Just a minute. This is your vertebral column. It has 33 vertebrae. Okay, and all the bones are separate except all the last few ones. Clear? Next is our rib cage. This is our rib cage. It has 24 bones and they are joined from the back with the vertebral column and in the front with the sternum. This is the sternum, which is also called chest. Clear? Now it has 24 bones. First 1 to 10 they are joined from both the sides. Last two ones, these two, 11th and 12th pair, they are floating ribs. Why they are floating ribs? Because they are not attached to the sternum. Okay? Next we have, this is upper limb, this is the humerus, clear? And these are radius and ulna. These are the bones of the hands. Okay? Next, this is pelvic region. And this is the largest bone in our body. Which is the largest bone? Femur. And it is also called thigh bone. Clear? Next, this is knee joint. Then we have tibia and fibula. Clear? Two bones are there in the lower leg. All together we can say 3. Humerus, tibia and fibula. And this is your ankle joint. Then these are the bones of feet. So this is all about the structure of a skeletal system. Now who will explain? Who will explain? Voluntary? Anybody?
It is skull and it has 22 bones in it. 8 in
Cranium.
and 14 in facial. And this is vertebral column. It
Right.
has 32 bones, small bones.
33 bones.
33 small bones called vertebra. This is rib cage. It is attached with vertebral column and sternum. It has 10 pairs in it. Last two are called floating bones. This is humerus.
Very good.
And this is muscle block.
And both of the hand.
And this is largest bone in our body. And this is
These are
bones of feet.
Again.
About today we have learned about skeletal system. This is skull and upper part has 8 bones. Facial part has 14 bones. The upper means cranium. All the bones are immovable like fixed joints except the jaw. It is the only bone in skull that is movable and vertebral column. It has 33 bones and the pivot joint. The first 2 bones are called atlas and the ribs are joined with sternum and vertebral column. It has 24 bones and 12 pairs, and the 24 bones are connected with sternum and vertebral column. This is pelvis grid, and this is femur, the largest bone in our body, and it is also called thigh bone. This is humerus, the arm bone, and this is radius and ulna. This is called ball and socket joint, and this is true. Then, and here we have the gliding joint and bones of our hand. And we have the ankle joint and gliding joint. Thank you. Morning, ma'am. Today we are going to learn about skeletal system. There are 22 bones in skull, 28 in cranium and 14 in facial. They are fixed joint, but the lower jaw can move. Then there is vertebral column. It has 33 bones and that's 33 bones. Then rib cage. It has 12 hairs and 10 bones which are connected with sternum and rib cage. But 11th and 12th bone do not connect with sternum and rib cage. Then there is hand. There is humerus and radius and ulna. And then there is thigh bone. It is also known as femur. Then there is tibia and fibula. And now the joints. There are 4 joints. First gliding joint, first pivot joint. In the first 2 bones of vertebral column, it is also known as atlas. Then there are ball and socket joint in the shoulder and in the lower portion of our body.
Ball and socket.
Then there is pectoral cleader and pelvic cleader. Pelvic cleader is in our lower portion and pectoral cleader in the shoulders. Then there are ball and socket joint. There is in one knees and one in elbow. Then there are gliding joint. One in ankle and one in elbow. Wrist. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today we learn about skeletal system. Skull has 22 bones. Cranium has 48 bones and facial has 14 bones. This is vertebral column. Vertebral column has 33 bones. This is rib cage. Rib cage has 24 bones. 1 to 10 is rib cage and 11 or 12 are floating ribs. This is humerus and this is radius and this is ulna. This is the largest bone in our body as a thigh bone. And this is
Tibia.
And this is fibula. Now go for a joint.
This is ball and socket.
This is ball and socket joint. And this first 2 bones are called atlas.
Then gliding joint. This one.
This is gliding joint. And
Ankle joint.
And this is ankle joint.
No, this is knee joint. Ball and socket joint. This is hinge joint and this is gliding joint.
And this is gliding joint. Thank you and have a nice day.
So this was all about our skeletal system. Now let us revise again. This is our skull, right? Skull has 8 bones. Clear? And all the 8 bones are fused. And these are facial bones, 14. And except lower jaw, this is movable jaw, right? Movable, you can say bone. And then we have 33 vertebral column, 33 bones in the vertebral column. And first bone with the skull forms a pivot joint. This one. This is first bone atlas and this is pivot joint, right? Then we have rib cage. This rib cage consists of 24 bones. 1 to 10 they are joined together, joined with the sternum in the front and at the back with the vertebral column, right? And last to 11th and 12th one, they are floating ribs. This is our pelvic portion, right? Or it forms the pelvic girdle. This is pectoral girdle. We have learned pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. the last. And this is the largest bone in our body. That is femur. Right? Then we have two bones in our lower part also. This is tibia and fibula. Clear? And these are the bones of our feet. Now come to the joints. This is your ball and socket joint, which is called shoulder joint, and this is your hip joint. Can you see ball here?
Yes.
Ball on the humerus part and ball on your femur also. Clear? And this is the socket. So ball is inserting in the socket. Clear? Same here also. Right? Then we have these are hinge joints, elbow joint and knee joint. These are hinge joints. Then gliding joints, joints of the hand, or you can say wrist joint, and this is your ankle joint. Clear? So this is all about skeletal system.
These are 20
Two bones,
bones. This is facial
bones,
40 facial bones. This is
your jaw,
this is vertebral. This is
the
vertebral.
column, complete. This whole is vertebral column.
This is the
Rib cage, okay.
This is
Sternum,
this is joint with sternum. And this has 24 bones. And 10 bones are joined with sternum and vertebral column. And two bones are called
floating ribs.
floating ribs. This is longest bone. This longest bone is skeleton system.
Louder.
This bone also called thigh bone.
Right.
This is
Two bones in the lower leg.
two bones in the lower
Tibia and fibula.
tibia and fibula.
Last one,
Feet,
Jones. Okay. This is
ball
and socket joint,
This is
hinge joint, hinge joint, ball and socket joint,
ball and socket
and gliding,
gliding.
ankle joint and wrist joint. Okay. बनाना इसकी तो मैंने भेज दी.
This is a
Skull.
It has 24 bones.
22 bones.
22 bones. It is the facial of
Facial
the
bones.
skull.
These are facial bones.
It has 14 bones. This is pivot joint.
Right.
This is rib cage. Rib cage has 24 bones. It has paired 12 bones. This is
Humerus.
This is bones of hand. This is femur.
Femur.
This is tibula and fibula.
Tibia.
This is the bones of the feet.
Feet.
This is vertebral joint.
Vertebral column.
Vertebral column. This is the joint.
Ball and socket joint.
Ball and socket joint.
This is hinge joint.
This is hip joint and
Ball hinge joint again.
hinge joint.
This is ball and socket joint.
Ball and